The F70 error code on a Whirlpool washer indicates a communication problem between the central control unit and the interface. This issue can be caused by loose connections or a faulty control board. To fix the error, start by resetting the washer, which may resolve minor glitches. To do this, disconnect the washer from the power source. Wait 4 minutes, and then power it back on to see if the problem is resolved. Next, check the connections between the central control unit and the user interface to ensure no wires are loose or corroded. If the wires are loose, tighten them, and if they are corroded, replace them with new ones. Additionally, check the control board, as a fault in this component can lead to problems, including the F70 error code. If the control board is faulty, it will need to be replaced. If these steps do not resolve the issue, it is recommended to contact qualified personnel for further assistance.